Subscribe to Suru's Diary and hit on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello friends, welcome back to Suru's Diary. Today I am going to share with you all guys the very old home remedy for dry cough or whooping cough. This is the ancient remedy used for curing whooping cough or dry cough. It oozes out, softens and oozes out cough easily. It can also be given to the children, small children who are not taking any medicine, or it's just a home remedy and it's really effective. For this here I have taken lump sugar, freshly ground black pepper and ghee. For preparing it, we have to take equal amount of ghee and lump sugar. We'll heat the ghee in pan and then we'll melt lump sugar into the pan, and after it gets dissolved we'll add pepper and we'll make into a thick consistency. Let it get cooled down and have it empty stomach every morning for 4 to 5 days. You will get relieved from the dry cough like magic. So we'll start the process. So here I have heated pan. Now we'll add ghee. Prepare only for one time use because you have to prepare it and eat it just by cooling it down. You can't store it. So here ghee has melted. Now I will add lump sugar that I have crushed and we'll keep on stirring it for on very low flame. And this also I will add pepper powder. Like for 2 tablespoons of ghee, we'll add 2 tablespoons of lump sugar and 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder, and we'll keep on mixing it. Once it starts boiling, we'll switch off the flame and we'll keep on stirring it and let it get cooled down. Once it gets on room temperature, we'll transfer it into bowl. I have taken out the excess ghee. If you want, you can keep it, and we'll keep on breaking it, otherwise it will become solid. And have it with a warm cup of milk early in the morning, empty stomach. Within 3 to 4 days, all the dry cough will ooze out. So here our kahwa is ready. Home remedy for dry and whooping cough. Eat this in the empty stomach followed by a warm cup of milk.